So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your Microsoft Edge is not starting. If you try to doing multiple times now, in order to fix that, just simply go to Start menu and first of all, right click on the Start menu and click on Task Manager and make sure that that is not running in the background. You can in the processes you can search for Edge right there and make sure that the Microsoft Edge is not running right there. Now again go to the settings of your laptop. In the settings, go to apps right there, go to installed apps, and here in this list you need to find the Microsoft Edge. It's somewhere right there. Now click on the three dots right next to it, click on modify and hit yes, and you'll notice that this option of repair will appear right in front of you. Give a repair. It will using an internet connection repair or Microsoft Edge, and now when you open it again, you'll notice that it will start working as it used to be. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.